many adults struggle with getting a good night's sleep. Sleep disorders can be chronic issues or situation-based. Adults who have difficulty sleeping may seek medical treatment in an effort to resolve the problem, as a lack of sleep, for whatever reason, can lead to exhaustion and fatigue and can impact every area of your life. Ambien and Lunesta are commonly prescribed medications for sleep disorders. When used as directed, it can help those who battle insomnia. If Ambien is not used as directed or is used in conjunction with other drugs and/or alcohol, it can end disastrously for you. Ambien can induce something similar to a blackout. Both Ambien and Lunesta are sedatives or hypnotics and can cause users to sleepwalk. In some cases, the user may sleep drive, which can end in an Ambien-induced DUI. If you have been charged with driving while under the influence of Ambien, you should speak with a skilled and experienced Ambien DUI defense lawyer. Contact our team of Ambien DUI defense lawyers to discuss your case. Because Ambien is a hypnotic drug, you may not recall the events that follow after you ingest it. Some people take Ambien and attempt to stay awake to feel the short-lived buzz that precedes the blackout. Other people may take Ambien as directed, which involves taking it once you are in bed, but may wake up and unknowingly sleep drive. A DUI conviction can disrupt your life now and in the future. This is true even if it is a first offense. Once convicted, you can face possible jail time, fines and court costs, loss of driving privileges, possible probation, possible community service, and even loss of child custody. Aside from these, there can also be a ripple effect in DUI cases. While many DUI charges are misdemeanors, your life can be adversely affected once the DUI case is over, as losing your driving privileges will make it very difficult to get to school, work, and other destinations. This can result in loss of employment. If you lose your job and cannot get another one quickly, you may face financial issues as you are not earning income to pay bills such as rent, mortgage, car payments, etc. With so much at stake, it behooves you to retain an experienced DUI defense attorney to help you navigate the complex legal system in the state you were arrested in. In many DUI stops, a bad situation can be made worse as you can acquire additional charges unrelated to the DUI. If you are found with illegally obtained, black market or internet-purchased Ambien, Lunesta, or other drugs in the car at the time of the DUI arrest, you will face charges related to the drugs, such as drug possession and illegally obtained prescription medications. The penalties for these charges can be significantly more severe than the DUI charges and can involve fines, fees, community service, and jail time. Lastly, if you were belligerent during the time of arrest or attempted to flee, you may face resisting arrest charges. All of these will make an already bad situation significantly worse. And this is true even if you have no criminal history or prior DUI convictions. The Food and Drug Administration maintains that due to Ambien's effect, any sleepwalking, sleep driving, or any other acts due to ingesting Ambien or Lunesta may be considered involuntary acts. Involuntary acts due to a medication's effects may serve as a defense in a DUI case. On the contrary, if it is determined that other factors contributed to the DUI, then the involuntary act defense may be negated, and you will face any and all consequences associated with a regular DUI charge. Acts or behaviors that may nullify a sleep driving involuntary act defense can be combining Ambien or Lunesta with alcohol or other drugs, exceeding the prescribed dosage, or taking the drug while driving home prior to before going to bed. No matter the exact details of your Ambien DUI case, our Ambien DUI attorneys and Lunesta DUI defense lawyers will vigorously protect your rights in an effort to obtain the best possible outcome. So do the right thing and face your charges so that this entire ordeal will be behind you and you can move on. If you feel you have a problem with alcohol and/or drugs, our Ambien DUI lawyers and Lunesta DUI defense attorneys will convey that in court. While their ultimate goal is to have your charges dropped or dismissed, if that is not an option, they may focus on obtaining treatment-based consequences versus strictly legal penalties. Do not hesitate to connect with our Lunesta DUI defense attorneys and Ambien DUI lawyers. They have many years of experience defending those accused of DUI and/or drugged driving in all 50 states.